Hello everybody. So I've been getting a lot of problems with this Opengd77. I'm getting a lot of questions about these data cables. There are a lot of bad data cables that are out there. Okay, I ordered a bunch of them. I tested 3 the other day. 2 of them were bad. Okay, so if you're getting one in it's not reading correctly, then I'm going to show you how to build your own cable, because if you're impatient like me, you're not going to feel like waiting. So what I did was I found an old, everybody keeps saying, oh, it has a chip in it, mine has a chip in it. I don't know about all the chips, but I'm going to tell you, mine doesn't have a chip. Let me tell you why. This came out of an old 2.0 USB-A device. So basically I took that and just cut it. Inside of these things, you're going to have 4 wires. You have red, green, black, and white. Okay, first thing, red, you don't need it. Get rid of it. All right. So what I did is I have these pigtails, which I have 2 separate ones because I just need to make it. So you have a 2.5 millimeter, and you have, which is a smaller plug, and you have a 3.5 millimeter, which is like a headphone. And usually you buy the cable, and they usually have at the top, it has the little one, and the top of this is a 2.5 millimeter, and the bottom is the bigger one, like a headphone, which would be plugged into there. So from this, I'm gonna have to, what I did was, I have these pigtails, which if you have to buy a bunch of these off of Amazon.com, this one here is for the 3.5 millimeter. They make them for the 3.5 millimeter too, but they're little breakout pins. So on the side of here, you got a left, a right, and a ground, which you'll see the white wire is going to the left side of the 3.5 millimeter. That's all you need the 3.5 millimeter for. Now the 2.5 millimeter, this pigtail here had 3 cables coming out of it. It had red, like I said, take that red and tape it up. You don't need it. You have a white and a black. Okay, the white is going to the green part of the USB cable. All right, so I took green and went to the white on a 2.5 millimeter, and I went and I took the black and I put that in with the black cable coming from the USB. So the black cable is going to go in here. All right, so you only 2 that you're concerned about on a 2.5 millimeter, and of course they made it difficult because it's hard to find 2.5 millimeter stuff. But the only 2 cables you need, get rid of the red. You're going to break it into the white, into the black. So green goes to the white one part of the cable, green to the white, and then black to black on here. So black from the USB cable to the black part of this cable, which I do believe indicates ground on that cable. So looking at the diagram, I kind of drew this, and maybe somebody wants to take a screenshot. I'll try to hold this. So it's dealing with Opengd77 with the Baofeng DM1701. So once again, this part would be this cable here. So when you cut it, you got 3 parts: red, white, black, and green. Get rid of the red, you don't need it. Same thing here, you don't need it. That's medical for not, you don't need. So you got your white, that leaves you with your white, black, and green. So once again, white or green and black are going to come here to the left and the right, which is going to be your black and your white cable on a 2.5 millimeter. Now on your 3.5 millimeter, you only need one, which is the headphone port. Once again, the white is going to go to the left side of this breakout piece. And showing you that again, the left is going to the white part of the cable. And that's it. That's all you need to get the program. There are a lot of bad cables out there, and I have a feeling, if I had to put my money on it, I believe that they probably have these 2 backwards that are going in here. They confuse the left and the right on the 2.5 millimeter. They're probably backwards, but I tested some and I had it. I'm posting this because I was on the net with Bernie Mac, and I just happened to watch his video that he was doing. So he was asking about a solution. So hopefully he helped me out back in some time ago. So I'm hoping this video might get to him and help him out, or help somebody else out there. But if you ever need to get in touch with me, I found a new home on TGIF network on free speech. 2021. 2021 is free speech radio. I'm generally on there. And once again, this is Curvy, KJ5HLO and WRZP715. And if you don't mind, give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. I really appreciate it, guys. And share this video to anybody that might have this problem. Like I said, I didn't feel like waiting for this. I didn't. This cable has been working reliably, and I even flash Opengd77 using this thing on 2 radios, so it works. So have a good day.